Girl. Girl, yeah. You want a treat then? So guys, then this is how it works. As you can see, the fur is right there. We push this up and we just kind of feed it in here. Hello everyone. Today we are taking a look at this pet vacuum cleaner. We're gonna open it up and show you guys what you get. Okay, there's quite a few things to go over. First of all, this is the unit itself. You have your on and off button on here. You have your different levels on here. You can press the button on here to take off the container. Now, obviously, if you're doing that, you're going to want to have it upside down. You can hold it like this and press the button, and that way you can clean it easier if that's what you want to do. Nice little carrying handle on the top here as well. It is a standard 2-prong outlet, but it does have plenty of cable, which is really nice. For this, you're going to go ahead and connect the hose in the back. There is a release button in the back as well to release it. Yeah, so, yep, that's the right way. Make sure when you press it in the back, you hear that click. Okay, a couple things. We have one cleaning brush. How this is going to work is, let's say you are brushing your pet. Don't press the button in, just brush your pet normally, and then it gets a lot of hair. You press the button and it pushes the hair out and it sucks it in. So obviously you would have it connected. Let's see, it might not be this piece. There might be another piece that... Oh no, there we go. So obviously you'd have it connected. And, you know, you'll be brushing. That way it automatically gets pulled into the tank. You also have another brush. This one has bristles on it. Again, keep in mind you don't have to use this just for a pet. You can use this to clean off, you know, other stuff. Not just for your pet, but it makes doing your pet much easier. Okay, and then we have this next. This is a brush. So this is a different style brush, which works the same way. You would be brushing and then press. It'll pull the hair down in. You can push it down in. An easy cleanup, no mess. So as you're starting to notice, there's quite a few different methods. Now you can also use this one as well for cutting. So let's say you'd put the fur in and you could cut the fur, push it out as well. So it's multi-use. I mean, most people are going to understand that. Also, you have a shaver here. This is great for doing fur around the paws, front and back paws. Shows a little battery level there. 2 different levels. That's charged with a USB-C cable, which they provide. And you can place, I believe you can place it in here. I was thinking this one's for, but it might not be. We'll have to see there. Okay, yes, so this is for if you're using the shaver and you want to vacuum it up. So you'll just place this down in like this. And it will pull in from underneath. So obviously you connect it like this. And it will be vacuuming while it's trimming. So while you're shaving and trimming, which is pretty nice. They do give you clippers as well. Manual, cleaning brush, your Type-C cable. These are the different modes. This is on low. Medium. And high. We'll get you a treat. We'll get you a treat. Right, Ems? So guys, then this is how it works. As you can see, the fur is right there. We push this up and we just kind of feed it in here. And you can lift it up higher if you need to, because sometimes it doesn't go the whole way up. As you can see there, it still sticks a little bit, but you can kind of go over like that, lift it up a little bit. And you can see now that it's inside the tank here. So we stop it. You can see inside there all that fur. But yeah, it works good.